Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a thrift slash charity shop haul. Yeah, that's all I have to say. So I'm going to start off with shoes. So I never really buy shoes in charity shops because like they're all ugly. And these aren't really an exception, but for some reason I just felt like I wanted to buy them. But they're these shoes. I don't know where they're like originally from, but they're just these burgundy, I don't know, wine coloured shoes. Yeah, but I kind of like them. I thought they were kind of cool. There's kind of a lot of stuff, so I'm going to go through it quite quick, but basically I bought this. It's inside out and I'm not going to turn it around the other way, but it's this turtleneck, grey turtleneck. It's got bibs on it. I don't really suit grey, and I love turtlenecks, but I look horrendous in them, so this isn't the most like flattering top on me, but I like it. And then I bought basically the same top, another grey turtleneck, not ribbed. Yeah. Going along the same colour scheme, I bought this grey Hollister top. It's 3/4 length sleeved, which is kind of annoying. It's just a bit awkward, you know. And it's got like buttons down the front of it. I used to be obsessed with this, like buttons down the top. I just thought it looked great. I feel like a lot of the stuff I buy from charity shops aren't the most like fashionable as such. They're just kind of random. Like most of the time I don't know why I bought stuff. Like this next piece, this skirt. So I bought it because I was like, I like skirts, you know. This is nice. It can go with stuff. Like I was thinking winter, like this is good for winter. Then I tried it on and I literally, no joke, this is no exaggeration, looked like a tulip. Like an actual tulip in this skirt. It just like, no. I need to stop being so negative about everything I'm talking about. So the next thing is something I really like, and it's this Guns N' Roses t-shirt. I love this. Can't say I know a lot of Guns N' Roses songs, but you know, I'm familiar with the band. I like some of the songs that I've heard. Maybe I should listen to them more, I'm not sure, but I really like this top. I really hope this angle's okay. Then I bought this yellow top. I'm a big fan of yellow, and it just says Las Vegas on it. Has some buildings. It says Nevada. It's a really nice top. I love to buy big baggy oversized tops. Next I bought this burgundy kind of colour top. This is just kind of like a loungeabout top. Kind of like, it's not really that fashionable. It was comfy, I liked it. Again with the buttons, I'm a fan. Then I bought this top, which is originally from Topshop, and I don't know if someone actually cut the sleeves or if it was bought like this, but it's just this red top. It's got like a mock neck, it's kind of cropped. I really like this, except I always thought it was orange, but now it's red. Maybe I'm colourblind. Then I bought another big baggy yellow t-shirt. This one is really giant and it says Woodville Camera Club, Bertie County, Alabama, and it has a camera on it. I did buy this with the intention to cut it, but it seems I never got around to cutting it, so what can you do? Then I bought this top, and it says Hendrick's Gin. Yeah, it's just a top with like a gin ad slash label thing on it. I also bought this top, which my dad was actually going to buy, but I bought it first. And it basically says Lake Louise hiking. I really love this top. It's really just cool and outdoorsy and nice. I think Lake Louise is in Canada, I want to say. I bought this stripy t-shirt. It really reminded me of the 90s and like Stranger Things. Is that in the 80s? I think it is. Just like the 80s and 90s, you know, that kind of time period that had the best fashion. I also bought this oversized white t-shirt and it has a wave here, which I love. But I also bought this to cut, but I still haven't cut it yet. Here's a top I bought to cut and I actually cut it. It's this Tommy Hilfiger top. It's just got an H and then a logo and it says Hilfiger. And yeah, I really like this top, it's really nice. If anyone wants to be Where's Wally for Halloween, then just hit me up. I just don't know if I can leave the house looking like Wally. Then I bought some skirts. When I buy skirts at charity shops, they just never fit me. Like, it's so annoying. They just don't do any size that fits me. So I bought this skirt because I really liked it and it reminded me of Clueless in like the 90s. I have to wear this with a belt and kind of fold it at the back so it doesn't fit, but I do really love this skirt. I bought this skirt which has a rip at the front, I think. Oh, my mum sold it. Never mind. And it's just light pink. Love it. And it has buttons down the front. Now onto jackets. I have this one which I actually think might be like a club jacket from like horse riding. It's like a horse riding club jacket, but like, I don't know, I thought it was nice. It looks like this, quite 90s again, and it has a logo at the front here embroidered, and then it also has it on the back, but I don't know what it's for. Now onto the last thing, which is this jacket, which is the coolest thing ever. It's like a vintage Adidas jacket, or Adidas, I don't know how to pronounce it, and it looks like this. It's so cool, and it says Adidas at the front, and it's just, it's like a, I can't remember, a windbreaker kind of style, I think. I just love this jacket and it was so cheap. I think it was only like £8 or something like that. So yeah, that was the last thing in the haul. I'm actually kidding, guys, jokes, that wasn't the last thing. I also bought this top, this Guess t-shirt, and the letters are all sparkly. I hope you can see that, it's very nice, I do like it. Sorry about the change of camera angle again. There was another thing that I forgot to talk about, which is this top, and it was just too good not to mention. It's this Users top, and then the back just says Users Tour. I just really wanted to show this because I just love it. I think it's a kid's t-shirt, to be honest, but I don't even care. If you don't know, Users is Kanye West, and I love Kanye West. I'm a really big fan. So if you guys have any video requests, then just leave them below, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.